Bonafide Hustler here. I'm going to do a really quick thrift run, and I decided to open up the camera and share it with you guys. Let's see what we find today. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, comes to you live from the inside of a small spaceship. Couldn't really film as I drove because it's stick spaceship. There's the proof. There's the stick. You see it? Whoa, look at that shadow. Look at that shadow. It looks like a... Anyway, don't forget to get the free guide, first link down below. It'll teach you kind of how to do this and make some money reselling used items. So I'm out in front of a Goodwill. You can kind of see it right here. There's the Goodwill. And we're going to go in there and we're going to see what we can find. And comment down below one thing, all right? What do you think I'm going to find today? I'm going to find something. What will it be? Found some stuff. Ooh, already? Man, you're gonna see this stuff. Pretty cool stuff though, for sure. All right, what did we get? We got a reversible King Ranch. There we go, King Ranch. It was in the pocket. That was the only way I knew it was King Ranch. Reversible King Ranch, kind of like hunter's vest. Pretty nice. 10 bucks out the door. Gonna be aiming for the 50 to about 80 mark on this one. A little bit of a thin market, but not a big deal. This one right here, a little bit longer tail. Sold are somewhere between 55 and about 100 bucks. It's got the these are the Tiva Outdoor Voices edition. Really rare sandal, actually. Mint condition, 15 out the door. I'm gonna aim for around 70 to 80 on these. These look really cool. They remind me of the Kodo Paxi kind of backpacks. But yeah, those are the first scores of the day. We found some good stuff. So we gotta find more good stuff. Let's go. All right, did anyone stop the video and guess sandals and a vest? I'm curious. Don't guess now, obviously. Did you? Did you get it? Did you get it right? Let's see. Out in front of another thrift store. Also got a USPS thing that has to go out right there. What is in this box? Gotta find a little mailman guy. We have a pair of $14 shoes. Shoes to bucks. That Cole Haans that's sold for $75. Not too bad. That's pretty sweet. I actually sold a pair of shoes this morning too that were pretty. I put my sunglasses back on. I think they were also 15 or maybe 13 bucks, and those sold for 80. And the original price was 90, and I got an $80 offer. Duh, I'll take it. They were some Scarpa shoes. Anyways, so those have been paid for. When I get home, I gotta ship those off. But let's get in this Goodwill. Man, it looks like a shoes to bucks kind of day. Maybe vests to bucks, maybe sandals to bucks. Yeah, let's get in this Goodwill and see if we can find anything. This is an amazing Goodwill. I love this one. This is like one of my favorite ones. Vlogging the handshake. I'm doing all right, man. Yeah, that's the manager of the Goodwill. He's really cool. I really like him. Man, I've never seen an all-white North Face jacket in my entire life. Why would anyone buy an all-white anything that's North Face? This doesn't look right at all. I don't know about this one. Alright, we're hunting. Looking around carefully. Okay, so I didn't find anything at that one. Proceed down the road and go to maybe a Savers and one more thrift store. And gotta get some tacos. You know, honestly, on days like this, today's Wednesday actually, I just kind of take the day to do things that I like to do. It's a day that I don't have to go to the gym. I still went to the gym, I did some yoga, but you know, kind of just focus on me. It's just like a me day, you know, so I do things that are fun. And I'll probably go mess with a mountain bike later and tune it up and maybe take it to the trail and just do a lot of things that I want to do, you know. I think it's really important if you're watching this right now and you're going, man, you know, when's the last time you actually had, you know, half a day to yourself or a full day to do exactly what you wanted to do. Most of us, you know, don't even take time to realize that that's really important. So, yeah, I try to get, you know, one of those a week at least, or maybe like a half day or something like that. And it makes me feel so much better afterwards. Anyways, let's go down the road and get some tacos. We have arrived at Taco Deli. It's a different Taco Deli than the last one I went to, but we'll go here because it's close to the thrift stores. Let's go get some tacos. Yeah, can I grab anything else? We're good, man. Thank you. Yeah. All right, so here are the tacos. Check that out. And those are the salsas. So I'll see you guys in a bit. We're gonna be in another thrift store in 1 second, but I want to enjoy these. They're so good. Yeah, buddy, those tacos were good, but we're outside of the next thrift store, which is right here. This one opened at like 10 o'clock today. I wasn't there. It's like 2 o'clock now, or 1:30. So there might not be anything here, but I'm gonna give it a whirl and check it out. See if we can find anything here. You know, I think if I could marry a taco, I'd probably do it. Didn't find anything at that thrift store. Got out of there very quickly. Last thrift store is the Savers right here. So we'll check this one out. Yeah, this Savers is really close to the other thrift store, which means this one was probably, you know, hit sometime earlier today. But let's see if we can find anything. You never know. Could be some good stuff. There's a slime ball. This is pretty cool. Dynamax Slam Ball, $14.99. This could be a buy. Spent $16 out the door, just about, for that slam ball. And they'll usually sell around town for $40 to $50. So that's the last find of the day. Not the craziest day, not the worst day, but time to find a mailman. Let's do it. It's just important to go out, you know, and to see what's out there, but not be pressured to buy stuff. All right, found one. She took my package. She took my package. Okay, back at the Hustler Casa. Let's look at the three things I found today. Here is the King Ranch reversible vest. Really nice condition, so take a look for that logo right there. I speculated it was gonna be good because it has kind of like the same outside as like a Patagonia one. It's real nice and fluffy. There is a term for this. It escapes me at this moment, but yeah, I mean, it's basically a Patagonia vest if you really think about it. So the other thing that we got here is a Dynamax Slam Ball. Now I got a bunch of slam balls in the gym. You can kind of see them right there. I think I even have a 14, but they make them in 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, maybe even 25. And this is just for like CrossFitters to throw on the ground. That was 15 bucks. Local sale on that. And here are those Teva sandals that are pretty cool. The Outdoor Voices kind of, I guess, edition or something like that. Really nice looking, mint condition. And ordinarily I don't buy Tevas to resell, but those I will resell. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me with a comment down below and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.